Alright, Mark, this is amazing. This is how much? What? This is the owner of this place. Ooh. Oh my god. Wow, let's try this one. Thank you. Kapungkam. They're giving us free food and free drink here. Okay, right now I'm in Nonthaburi municipality market and I'm here to try some local street food, unique street food that I have never tried before. And I have 100 baht, which is about $3. Let's see what we can get with 100 baht here at the local market of Nonthaburi. All right, guys, please, if it's your first time here, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, like this video, and comment down below. All right, let's go. So the crab, what is it? Banana. So here we have fried banana, right? And this one, farro. This one is called farro, but I don't know really what is it. Can you show the price? We have 7 baht and 20 baht. So I need this one too. Yeah, 2. And this one also 2. Let's see how much is it. Okay. So 28 baht. 28 baht for 2 fried banana, and this one is farro. I don't know what is it. This is the banana. Wow. All right, let's see. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. This is really good. 10 out of 10, seriously. This is amazing. So this one is a thick rice with farro. Wow, let's try this one. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. You can just see my face expression. This is really good, really. Wow, 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 wow. This is amazing. This 10 out of 10. No joke, seriously. Our the second street food we're going to try is this is a banana. Let me show you how they do the process. Yes. How much is this one? 20. 20. Okay, 20 baht. So this is 20 baht. Okay, 20 baht. All right. That's all. So this is Nonthaburi. I don't know, please help me. I don't know if I pronounce the name correctly. All right, wow, wow. It is banana, but on the top, they have like coconut. Wow, wow. This one, 10 out of 10. Seriously, this is the best street food I have ever had. Amazing. Look at this. This is coconut milk. Wow. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Okay, this is how much? 20 baht. Okay, kapun ka. Thank you. So let's try it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, Mark. This is amazing. Wow, 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 wow. It's so tasty. Alright, Mark. Wow. 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 This is 10 out of 10. Seriously. Please don't blame me. Their food is really good. That's why I'm giving 10 out of 10. So I'm not like trying to pretend. This is actually good, 100%. Best food ever. Okay, this is coconut.
Coconut.
Oh, this one, okay. So they gave me this one to try. Let's see. This is coconut. Wow. Wow. Yes, so sweet, yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is so sweet, very sweet. Wow. I love coconut, so it's really good, but a little bit too sweet. Yeah. Okay. This one is coconut?
Coconut.
Okay, okay. This is so good. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, thank you. Kapun ka. Kapun ka. Wow. They're giving us free food and free drink here. Seriously. Thank you, Kapun ka. Wow, clean food.
It will be taste. It will be taste.
Oh.
Good.
Oh, he's a chef.
Yes.
Clean good food taste.
Clean, yeah, clean food, yeah. Yeah, YouTube, yeah. So this is actually the owner of this place. It's the chef, and he gave us some free food to taste. Kapun ka. Okay, I got a new follower. Thank you, Kapun ka. This one, how much? What? Kapun ka, kapun ka. This is the owner of this place. What is your name? Okay, Kapun ka. Thank you very much. And this is his place. Okay, Kapun ka. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. What? You will pay. Oh, no. Okay. We have 20 baht left, and not 20, but 23 baht. And I'm going to get her a drink here. Oh my God. Only the smell. I like the smell, but there's no sugar.